So I'm going to show you a video today of me putting on my brand new upgraded Courtney topper. I am completely new to using toppers, and I really did a lot of research and looking at things before I really jumped in. And so I can't say how impressed I am with the quality and how easy it is to blend with my hair, as well as just how impressed I am with how much different wearing the topper makes me feel day to day. So this is my bio hair. You can kind of see I have a very thin crown area. In the front it's receding. Actually, it looks a little fuller right now than it normally is because of one of the things I'm going to show you that I use when I'm putting my topper on. So right now I have my beautiful Courtney on my little mannequin. And so a few things that I did to this topper just to help with the realisticness of it is, one, I changed the part. I do a right-sided part, so it's very easy because she is that mono top and it's that upgraded. It has an area where you can move the part over. I also put some of this colored tape to kind of help the realisticness of that part line. So this is what she looks like, a nice right-sided part. I have my tape here. And then she comes with the halo wire. So I get my halo wire down here, put it up over, and then I like to make sure I'm holding this base, and this is kind of tucked down just slightly. It's gonna help me to be able to maneuver whenever I'm going back. So I'm holding on to the cap. I like to hold on to the back of it, and then I flip it up, and I just kind of pull out some of these hairs here in the front, and I like it right in front of that halo wire because I'm a big ear tuck person. So you can see it's already starting to blend in really well. And then I'm going to pull all the ones out over here, get it so that I can do a nice easy ear tuck. I don't have her clipped in, so I'm just kind of smoothing some of this out, holding it in place. But when it's nice and smooth, it helps me to be able to decide if it's blended enough, if I have it in a good spot. So in general, I think that this is probably about correct. So my clips are clipped closed. I'm opening them, just scooping a bit of hair. With the Courtney, she is a 7x8, and so she fits pretty well in all of my problem areas. And so I have a lot of coverage. And then I like to take my hair and blend it in. And then it just really looks like my hair. Now, I already put this on, but this is actually a good area of lightness to show. But I got this from UniWigs as well. But this kind of just helps fill in some of those areas that's a little thinner. So there we go. Now, I'll be honest, I wore this to work today and nobody could tell the difference. And I'm pretty transparent with everybody about wearing toppers and making this transition, because I just feel like it helps me normalize it to talk about it. And everyone was thoroughly impressed. You really can't tell, you really can't see those lace spots or the monofilament in here. So that's how I put my toppers on. It literally, I'm brand new to this, and it took me just a minute to get everything together. So thank you so much for letting me share this with you. I'm very enthusiastic about UniWigs and their products, and I appreciate it.